Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got this 2012 Kia Sportage, and we're just gonna do a quick video of how to remove and replace a spark plug for this car. So there's some points that you need to consider when replacing the spark plug. So this is the cover. So actually you don't need to like unscrew anything in here. There's just only like a technique of how to remove this. So basically what you're gonna do is just lift this part and then push it. Anyway, I'll be showing you later on why I'm saying you have to push it that way. So lift this. So lift the front. It looks like it's gonna break, but it's not. And then push. There you go. The reason why I'm telling you need to push it because of this. See this over here, because it's sometimes it's stuck over here. So this is one of the points that you need to consider in replacing your your spark plug. Then when you remove the spark plug, you don't need to disconnect the wiring. Just get a 10 millimeter socket. And screw it. This and just right there, pull it out, right? And then this is 5/8. So look at, it's not that bad though. But I'll be replacing it with the new one in JK. Let's do it one at a time. Go. So do it not too tight. There you go. The second one. This one is a little bit, oh, it's rusted. Another NJK. So again, so same process for the two one, and then after that I'm just gonna put this on. So after putting everything, it's putting the new spark plug. Let's put that the ignition coil. Go. 4 bolt, number 10. So again, you don't need to disconnect the wiring, and just tighten it. Okay, so when putting back the cover, just put some, WD-40. So at least, it will go back easily. So first, do that. There we go. So let's see if it's gonna be easier to remove. Oh yeah. See, this is what I'm talking about. Let's put some lubrication so the next time you're gonna remove this, it's gonna be more easier. Alright. Okay. So there you go. That's how you remove and replace a spark plug for 2012 Kia Sportage. So if you had any question in this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye.